Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to create dual lighting in Photoshop. First select an image and rasterize layer. Then go to Image, Adjustment and desaturate an image. Go to Layer panel, and select Gradient. Adjust gradient color. Change both of the layer from normal to color, and change the opacity. Select a shape and resize it. Right-click and rasterize layer. Right-click again and go to Blending option. Select Outer Glow. Copy layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Change the color of outer glow. Select Eraser tool, and erase the glow effect from one layer. Select brightness and contrast to add effect. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.